How's it going, people? My name's Tom, and this is my E46.
So you want to be a player, but your wheels ain't flying. You gotta hit us up to get a pimped out ride. You got to pimp my ride. Damn right.
Welcome back to the channel. After having a few weeks off. Yeah, shit.
You recording?
Yeah. Of course he is.
Welcome back to the channel. We've had a few weeks off due to corrupt files, plus the one series just giving us so much egg. We've just put it to the side for the minute.
Broke the starter motor. It's all gone wrong.
Wiring gremlins.
Wiring gremlins. Literally put the battery on. The starter motor was turning over. That was probably my fault for probably putting the wiring on the wrong way around, but you know. But
while we're waiting for parts for that, we've got my E46 in.
Challenge the beat.
Man, drop that shit for these fuck niggas.
painted it over a year ago in this workshop. Don't look too bad, if I must say myself.
She looks mint.
Tom's happy with it.
Over the moon.
So now we can...
So we've got the coil over. We've got wheels. We've got black mouldings all to go round where there is no mouldings. Yeah.
New brakes.
New brakes, new steering arms, wishbones. Yeah, everything we need really.
Loads
new
of stuff.
lights that I'm going to crack on with in a second while
New
Jake
lights.
does the rear end. So yeah, see you on tripod.
Just putting the black mouldings on the bumper. Colour coded them all because Tom wanted we done all this on the body kit, all black, so it looks nice. Because a lot of people just paint it all green, and it don't look like it's actually got a moulding on there. So paint all that gloss black for him. Need to get the right side. I think it's this one. No, it's this one. Yep, that one. Had to chop it down because the body kit don't allow it to go past. Yeah. Tape that's been on there over a year. Look at it. It's like rubbish. Bang that on there. Ooh. Tom's parking sensors, because he had the black ones you couldn't paint. We couldn't paint them, unfortunately. But everything else has been painted. Yeah.
No pressure.
No pressure. Thomas, we need to unbolt your bumper fender, mate. We need to unbolt this. And the... Oh, what's that one go in? I think just a bit, just so we can get it off. That'll do. There and there. This will look so good when they're on.
Mouldings are going to make it.
Literally. Bring all the gloss back together, won't it?
Yeah. It needs that little divide, doesn't it?
That there. And then that should come off. And you put your hand on the inside and see if it'll space off.
That's it. That should be enough.
Put your hand on the inside.
That's it.
No, that's not it.
You have to undo that with my petrol cap as well.
Yeah, I reckon you have to undo that as well. Oh, what's that?
That's it.
That's all done, boy.
I might have to take that bit of black shit off in that.
No, so it's only a bit of polish under the edge. Oh yeah, that's much better, isn't it?
So much better.
It actually looks strange now, doesn't it? Now it all lines up. Let's have a nut kit it. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
What are you doing there, Jake?
Just test fitting to see if you need spacers or not. I've bolted the spacer on anyway because we like fitment. Yeah. 10.5J ET0. I mean ET20, but we put a 25mm spacer on, so this should roughly be -5 now. Got to line the frigger up. Here we go.
What did you just go and do, Tom?
Oh, come on, look. Much better.
What are they?
Xenons.
Flick them on.
I don't know much about them, but they look a lot better than the other ones.
Four.
Right, Tom, I suggest you get the jack. Because it's not an axle stand, is it?
No.
Bullshit.
Why?
I need to go on axle stands, so I can jack the rear trailing arm up instead of letting the car down.
Why?
Because these ain't gone in the big holes.
Oh.
They've gone in the small holes. And the small holes,
Well, why don't you just take it off and put it back in the big holes?
because the other fitment is 5x1 4.3.
Oh.
You need skinny bolts.
Yeah, need tuner bolts for that. Have you got a axle stand for this side then? Did you say Peppa Pig died? Are you for real?
Sorry.
Peppa Pig? Are you for real? Peppa Pig ain't even real. Can you get your axle stands on?
Yeah.
Cheers, mate. Definitely needs a 25mm spacer. Sweet geese.
Up.
Look up a bit higher with the car, yeah, geese. I think we need 40mm space on the back of this. Honestly.
Higher?
Go on up. Wait until the camber hits as well when it's lowered. You're going to need 50, I reckon. Go down, Tom. Slowly. Oh. It's doing its usual. Up. Right, Jane, put a chuck under the front wheel because it's slipping down. The car's doing its... Go on, keep going up, Tom.
Right, that's us done for the day. We've had a bit of a change of plan. I got my lights in like I had planned originally, but then we ended up putting all these moulds in, got the splitter on the front bumper, grille back in, the moulds around the fog lights. Looking quite aggressive now.
centre grille in the centre there, all black back up, looking fresh.
And
at
then
the
if
back,
we come around to the, well, we had a test fitment with the wheels.
test fitment with the wheels. Bigger spacer than planned, but it looks cool. I'd like if it was my car. All the tyre gap at the rear, looking savage. The black trims. Finish the rear end off on it, really.
Happy.
Happy Tom.
What happened to your nose, Tom?
Oh, that was removing parts earlier.
She's looking good.
Yeah, that's the end of the today's episode of Tom's E46.
Come back next week, we'll have more bits.